For years, the term married on Sunday, fired on Monday was a rallying cry for advocates of LGBTQ rights in the workplace. Tonight, those advocates are celebrating after the Supreme Court ruled the 1964 Federal Civil Rights Act protects employees from being fired for being gay or transgender. Here's CBS's Jan Crawford.
There was a quiet moment of joy at the court over the landmark ruling that extends the promise of the Civil Rights Act to millions of LGBTQ employees. And supporters quickly took to Zoom, reacting with jubilation.
Today is a landmark victory for LGBTQ equality.
Today's decision expands the American promise of liberty and justice for all.
I'm elated.
Before today's decision, only 22 states outlawed employment discrimination based on sexual orientation and/or gender identity, leaving gay employees like Gerald Bostock of Georgia with no protection.
I was fired for being gay.
A social worker, Bostock sued. Today's ruling bears his name.
This decision ensures that no one will have to go to work fearful of losing their job because of who they are, who they love, or how they identify.
The first major gay rights decision for the newly conservative court came as a surprise to many. Conservative Justice Neil Gorsuch, joined by fellow conservative Chief Justice John Roberts and the court's 4 liberals, wrote, "The language of the Civil Rights Act makes clear an employer who fires an individual merely for being gay or transgender defies the law." Dissenting justices said that was never understood to be a part of the 1964 law, and changes should come from Congress, not the courts, even in the hard cases, Justice Brett Kavanaugh wrote, when we might prefer a different policy outcome.
Now, the Trump administration had argued that the 1964 Federal Civil Rights Act did not cover this kind of workplace discrimination. But late today, the president said, and I quote, "We live with the decision of the Supreme Court," calling it very powerful. Nora?
Jan Crawford, thank you.